As we begin another week of service, allow me to express my deep appreciation to everyone, lalo na sa ating CDM contingents who were deployed during the Trillion March 2.0 yesterday, November 30. Your discipline, composure, at commitment to professionalism resulted in zero untoward incident. Walang nasaktan, walang gulo, at maayos nating naipatupad ang buong security operation. Maraming salamat sa inyong sipag, sa maagang deployment at sa pagsunod sa protocols with respect and integrity. This is the kind of service that makes Pro3 stand out, ang tunay na diwa ng ating 3Ps. Protect the people, pursue peace and order, and promote professionalism, aligned with the Chief PNP Focus Agenda. I urge everyone, doble rin ang pag-iingat at pagiging mapagmatsyag, strengthen visibility patrols, and enhance intelligence coordination. At pang-apat, siguraduhin ang presensya ng kapulisan sa mga convergence areas. Isabuhay natin ang serbisyong mabilis, tapat at nararamdaman